Hello students, today again we are going to do the creative section. In that section we are going to learn comprehension passage 3 for the final exam. In this passage it is a story of little red fox and his friend little brown duck. But before that I will tell you one story you already know. The greedy dog. A dog stole a bone and he ran away with that bone and he came to the river. On the bank of the river, he stopped on the bank and looked into the water, river water. He saw his own reflection in the water. He thought that there was another dog in the river water. Then he wanted to get that bone also from the dog. Then the dog barked, whoop, barked, bow, bow, and the bone fell from his mouth. And the dog was very hungry and he did not get a bone to eat also. Why? Because he was greedy. What he was having a bone or that bone also he want, and what he saw in the river water, that bone also he want. And in spite of greediness he lost his own bone which he was having to eat. So greediness makes a person helpless and they will not get what they are having. In short, they have lose what they have in their hands. So let's go to the passage 3. In the same way, this story is also related like this way only. Once upon a time, there was a little red fox. One day he was very thirsty and he went to the river to have a drink. When he poured into the water, he became very angry. There was another fox looking at him. He growled at it to go away and said it was his river. Now, poured means looked into the water, and thirsty means a person or an animal when we feel we need a glass of water, we need a water, some liquid things to drink. That is called a thirsty, to fill up our thirst. So in the same way, little red fox was very thirsty. He went to the river and drank of water. Then he looked into the water. Then he saw another fox. He became angry by seeing the another fox enter the river. He growled at it. He growled means shout, and said that it was his river, it was his water, you can't drink it. Of course, the fox in the river did not go away, but he made no sound. The fox in the river did not make any noise or a sound, because the whatever fox was saying that in the river it has no echoes. So no sound was made by the fox in the river. The fox saw his own reflection in the river water and shouted, barked, growled at that fox, but no sound or noise was coming from the another fox, because it was his own reflection. The fox again shouted at the other fox that he would leap in the water and bite the nasty ugly fox. Then the fox again shouted at the other fox and leap means jump into the water and bite the nasty ugly fox, and he wants to bite that nasty ugly fox. Nasty means unpleasant, unhappy, dangerous or painful. The fox which was outside the river, that he was thinking that he want to jump into the water and want to bite that another fox, and he would like to kill him. So little brown, now what happened? Let's see. One of his friend is coming and asking him that why are you shouting? And then he little red fox said that another fox is there in the river, so he want to bite him and kill him and wanted to kill him. Then little brown duck said that don't do this, it's just your imaginations, it is just your reflection, no another fox is there in the river water. So let's read it, the paragraph. Little brown duck heard little red fox shouting and asked him why he was doing so. The fox told her that there was another fox in the water who was not going away. The duck told him there was no other fox, but little red fox insisted he would jump into the water and bite him. But the little red fox was insisted, keeps on saying that I will jump into the water and bite that another fox. Little brown duck said, don't do that. In the middle of the river lives a terrible crocodile. He will grab you and eat you for his dinner. His teeth are like long white spears. Grab means catch. Grab means catch. He will catch you. He will swallow you. Grab means catch, suddenly catch or swallowed you. Then the brown duck said to little red fox that in the middle of the river a terrible crocodile was staying. He will grab you, he will catch you and swallow you as his dinner. His teeth are like long white spears. Spears means sharp pointed part of the teeth which tears you. The fox laughed and said, I am not scared of any stupid crocodile. Then the fox laughed on little brown duck, whatever he said, and said that I am not scared of any stupid crocodile. I am not scared of any crocodile. Then the fox jumped into the river and he died. And the river in the water take him far away, and then he died. In the end, I think. Now revise the exercise. First of all, go through the meaning one word. Needed a drink means when we feel thirsty, then we need a drink. We want to drink something liquid part. Our body needs some liquid things to drink, and to fill up that thirst we drink. So needed a drink means thirsty. Jump means leap. Spoke loudly means shout. Catch suddenly means grab. Ill-tempered and very cross means angry. Looked means peered. Here true or false are there. Little red fox was very hungry. Little red fox was hungry? No, he was very thirsty. He wants to drink water. So, statement is false. He was thirsty. He was angry because he saw a fox in the river? Yes, true. This statement is true because on seeing another fox in the river, the fox became angry. Little red fox told little black cat about the fish in the water? No, little red fox told to the little brown duck about the another fox, not fish. Who was there in the water? He saw his own reflection, so he said that it is another fox in the water. So again statement is false. Little red fox wanted to jump into the water and bite the other fox? Yes, true. Little black cat told the little red fox there was an alligator in the water. Little brown duck told the little red fox there was an alligator in the water. Alligator we can call crocodile also. Alligator is just like a crocodile only. But who told? Little black cat told to the little red fox? No, little brown duck told about the alligator or a crocodile in the middle of the water is there. Little red fox replied that he was not afraid. Little red fox replied that he was not afraid of any stupid crocodile or alligator. Already we have learned one word and answered the following. This you have to write it in the notebook, in English to notebook. I hope you understand the concept of comprehension passage 3. It is just like greedy dog. Here little red fox was on seeing another fox. He jumped into the river to kill that fox and bite, and he loses his life. So don't be angry. Ill-tempered means angry. Understood, children? Any doubt? Insisted means keep on saying. I hope you understand the concept of comprehension passage 3 and go to the one word meaning properly, and you have to find the answers from the passage itself. Understood, children? Words are different. It is from outside the passage, but answers you will get it from the passage itself. You know the word meaning. A word meaning means similar words or synonyms it is called, and answers you have to write it in the notebook. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day and complete your work on time. We are having revision test from 15 March and the portion will be from June to February. Objective type is there. Please refer the workbook properly. Anything can be asked in the objective form. So please refer the objective without option. Try to learn it. And this is for the annual exam comprehension. And then I will start with the tenses, and again letter writing we will go. For the letter writing and story writing we have to learn it. So please pay attention on the grammar section, creative section and literature section. Exams are nearer and every day I am going to send a video most probably. So complete your work on time. Thank you, children. I hope your cooperation will be with me. If you don't want to study, then I will not send the video. See, lots of work is there. If you want to really learn, then I will send it a video every day most probably. So please complete your work on time. Thank you once again.